Welcome to our video, where I will show you the top-rated benefits fish oils have on the human body. Let's get into it, shall we? The current nutrition recommendations advise eating 2 servings of fish per week, but many people just don't like the taste of it. Fish, especially fatty varieties like salmon, mackerel and tuna, are high in omega-3 fatty acids that have been shown to have a variety of health benefits. For anyone who isn't meeting the nutrition recommendations with fish, a fish oil supplement would be a great solution. Number 1. Fish oils are heart healthy. Studies show that they can increase HDL, or good cholesterol, lower triglycerides, and lower blood pressure. Number 2. Omega-3s are essential for a healthy brain, and studies have shown that people with certain mental health disorders have low blood omega-3 levels. High doses of fish oils have been shown to possibly reduce symptoms of schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. Number 3. Fish oil supplementation may help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Some studies have shown that fish oil supplements, combined with a healthy diet and exercise, yes, you still have to do the hard work, may help obese individuals lose weight more effectively. Number 4. Omega-3s are important for eye structure and health, and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Number 5. Fish oil supplements have anti-inflammatory properties. It is well known that chronic inflammation can significantly worsen certain chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and depression. Reducing inflammation with fish oil supplements can also help reduce joint pain and symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease. Number 6. Omega-3 fatty acids are a major component of your skin, so supplementing with fish oil can help keep your skin healthy and young. It may also help to improve symptoms of skin diseases like psoriasis and dermatitis. Number 7. Omega-3s are immensely important for a developing baby. Mothers should supplement fish oils during pregnancy and while breastfeeding to ensure proper nervous system development in their child. Number 8. A common consequence of obesity is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Fish oil supplements have been shown to improve liver function and decrease inflammation, leading to an improvement in liver disease symptoms. Number 9. Fish oil supplementation in children may help reduce symptoms of behavioral disorders, including hyperactivity, inattention, and aggression. This will in turn improve their learning and development in early childhood. Number 10. Fish oils may help reduce asthma symptoms, especially for children, by decreasing the inflammation that is involved in the disease process. It may also help reduce the risk of developing allergies in infants and children. When choosing a fish oil supplement, there are some important factors to consider. The general recommendation for a healthy individual is to choose a supplement that provides 300 milligrams of DHA and 300 milligrams of EPA daily, as these are the most important essential fatty acids. Many supplements on the market contain other fatty acids, but not enough of DHA and EPA. Individuals already suffering from any of the diseases mentioned above should take even higher doses of fish oils. And never use fish oils that smell bad or are past their use-by date. They won't harm you, but you won't get the health benefits. Like any other oil, fish oil supplements will go bad over time due to oxidation. You should look for a company that has independent testing done on their products to verify that the contents in the bottle matches the label. Lucky for you, we've done the hard work of finding a good fish oil supplement for you. If you're interested in benefiting from fish oils, click the link we've provided for you below in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.